Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching with me Mr. Donald. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain you about parts of our body and the function of them in sentences. Baik, dalam video ini saya akan menerangkan tentang bagian-bagian tubuh kita dan fungsi darinya dalam kalimat. Kita mulai dengan subjek we dulu ya. Oke, to improve your speaking skill, you must listen to me carefully and repeat. Untuk meningkatkan kemampuan berbicara, Anda harus mendengarkan dan menirukan. Alright, are you ready? Well, we see with our eyes. Oke, kita mulai dengan subjek we. We see, kita melihat with our eyes. Okay, listen to me carefully and repeat. We see with our eyes. We smell with our nose. We smell with our nose. We hear with our ears. We hear with our ears. We speak with our mouth. We speak with our mouth. We work with our hands. We walk with our legs. Okay? We see with our eyes. Kita melihat dengan mata kita. We hear with our ears. Kita mendengar dengan telinga. We speak with our mouth. We speak with our mouth. Kita berbicara dengan mulut. We smell with our nose. Kita mencium dengan hidung kita ya. We work with our hands. Kita bekerja dengan tangan kita. We walk with our legs. Kita berjalan dengan kaki kita. We taste with our tongue. Kita merasa atau mencicipi makanan dengan taste. So, we taste with our tongue. We taste with our tongue. Kita mencicipi atau merasakan makanan dengan lidah. Oke. Subjek we bisa kita ganti dengan I, maka akan berubah possessive adjektifnya. Please listen to me carefully and repeat to improve your speaking skill. I see with my eyes. I see with my eyes. Saya melihat dengan mata saya. The next. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. I smell with my nose. I smell with my nose. I speak with my mouth. I speak with my mouth. I work with my hands. I work with my hands. I walk with my legs. I walk with my legs. Alright. Now, I'm going to ask you some questions about part of our body and the function of them. Question number 1. Do you see with your eyes? Do you see with your eyes? Apakah Anda melihat dengan mata? Maka jawabannya, yes, I do. The next question. Do you hear with your ears? Do you hear with your ears? Do you speak with your mouth? Do you smell with your nose? Do you work with your hands? Do you walk with your legs? Maka jawabannya tadi semuanya adalah yes, I do. Bagaimana kalau pertanyaan dengan yang lain, misalnya, do you speak with your ears? Do you speak with your ears? Maka jawabannya no, I don't. The next, do you speak with your nose? Do you smell with your nose? Do you walk with your hands? Do you work with your legs? Do you speak with your ears? Well, you should have partners to practice your English like this to improve your speaking skill. Alright? I hope that this video is useful for you. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.